everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosie F, and today I'm really excited to unbox a really pretty release paper. I ordered from the wonderful small company called Beescratycorner, and I say it as a question mark, and yes, Bees Crafty Corners. Apologies, I just really want to make sure the name's correct. I just see the emblem and I know what business it is. It's stayed in my memory really well. And I love the release paper, and they just put out an event release paper for the Winter King Storybook event. So I really wanted to pick it up, and I also picked up other designs that I had been wanting, but I was waiting for, a discount and all of that. So it came in this beautiful, really pretty sunny yellow package. I don't have the other side because it's my packing list, but it does have a thank you sticker. I did open it before and took out the packing list for the same reason. It would have my personal information and all of that, mostly my address. So, oh, there's small things in here too. So I think I might have, yeah, I got everything else. So let me put it aside. The other release paper I've ordered from them, I still have it in the original yellow package. I just really like it. So I like keeping it organized that way. So these wonderful large packets are all of the release paper types. I ended up ordering 4. Yeah, because I love release paper. Let me put it aside. Let's see everything else that they packed in. So, oh my goodness, there's a rewards card. Wonderful little extra paper. And, oh, really cute thank you postcard. It says, thank you, your order made my day, and it's a 10% discount code. I really like that. And, oh, that's so cute. It came with an extra release paper. That's what I got last time, and I really like it. So I really liked it. And this is a larger size. Not too sure if it's a 5x3 maybe. But it's so pretty. I kind of don't want to use it just because it's real pretty. I love that they include little samples of their different images. And, oh, this one as well. Oh, this one's so cool. It's so pretty. It's moons and beautiful leaves and flowers. And I believe it's a 4x4 inch because most of the time that's usually the other size I've used. This is such a pretty decal. I think I'm going to add this to my list of my next papers to order. Oh, I really love it. I love the butterflies too. And this one has stars as the little holographic glitter. As you can see, the little shine of it. Every time I order release papers, I get the glitter kind of effect, but the stars is winning me over. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm going to try to use it for one of my other paintings. And it includes also, oh, this is so pretty. They put little wonderful flower stickers and a butterfly. Oh, I love the stickers. I usually have them everywhere, but right now this isn't where I usually paint, so I'll get back to it. And wonderful little, these, I didn't use them before. They're little stickers of the images of the paper you bought. Apologies for that. Paper ripping sound. And it'll allow me to show you which are the images I got. So I got, let me see if I can find, this is the wonderful event release paper. Oh, this is so pretty. Apologies, I don't think it's focusing. Oh, I fell in love and I had to pick it up because I could not say no to the big cats. I really like it. And one of the other papers I bought is Cherry Blossom Kittens because I cannot say no to kitties. This is one image. And of course, for my wonderful, I have a black cat, so I had to get black cat, Playful black cats. I really love this one. It's so cute. And of course, I love flowers and white cats. White Cat Floral. I love the dark blue. Oh, this is so pretty. The holo glitter is the wonderful effect on top of the paper. As that other one I showed has stars, the one I love picking all the time is glitter. And don't worry, I'm going to make sure to show the paper. I just kind of want to show these wonderful stickers. And you can put them wherever you organize your release paper. So it's really cool that they include this. I don't. I keep it in the original little envelope. Maybe down the line, if I purchase enough release paper, I think I'll get kind of an organizer box so I can put all the papers nice and secure. So I put this aside. And rewards program. How it works. Scratch the space below to reveal what's underneath. If you find a bee, collect these cards to redeem a prize. Once you have collected a minimum of 2 bees, you may redeem them for a prize or keep saving for a bigger reward. 2 bees, free 12-pack release paper. 4 bees, free 24-pack. 6 bees, free theme pack release paper. And 8 bees, free custom pack of release paper, which would have 24 sheets and you have to provide the photo. I really like this. I don't know where I put my other one. It was in another one I ordered. Oh, and it lets you know how to redeem the prize. Oh, I really like that. I want to scratch it, but I don't know. I'll scratch it another time. I kind of remember the last one I scratched. I don't think I received anything. I think it said play again. I'll have to look for it. So these are the beautiful papers. They put them in these wonderful little bags. I really like them. So the first one is the Winter Kings Storybook event. And I love that this wonderful small business was sponsoring for the release paper. So I'm a big fan of it. There are other items that they're showing from other companies during the event. So I'm not too sure if they have another release paper company, but this is the one I'm familiar with. I'm a big fan of it, so that's why I wanted to pick it up. And oh my goodness, that is so cool. So these images are actual painting canvases of the wonderful diamond painting set, you can call it, which is called Winter Kings Storybook by the artist Romance Art. And as you can see, there's a dragon, wonderful, I want to say ocelot, but I don't think it's that. Wonderful lion and a bunny. I have these two in the middle because I cannot say no to big cats. And it's so beautiful. And I already have a canvas selected for the event, so I'm really loving it. And you can see the wonderful glitter shine on the paper. I just love this effect, so that's why I always pick it. But I think next time I'll get stars because I just love how that looks. Oh, the effect is so pretty. So this pack, I believe, had 12, I think the stickers might have told me. Hold on, give me a moment. I think it was 12. Because I don't usually buy large packs. Oh, it doesn't say. I thought it might. I believe it's 12. Well, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, they're 12 packs. I've only purchased a 24 once, and that was the wonderful, the last kitties I bought. I'm trying to remember what it was called. Hollow Space Cats or something like that. It's the cute kitties floating around in space. That one I bought is a 24 pack because I really love that image. This one, it's 12 is enough, especially for the event, because I'm not going to really, it's the painting I'm working on is a square. So I usually use this size because it's smaller. So that's why I didn't really have to order 24. But I do like how they look. And in the back, it has the wonderful little stickers of the wonderful company. See how I said I just have to see the emblem and I know the company? It's cute. And of course, this company is from Canada. I forgot to mention that. So it did take a week and a half for me to receive it, but I'm a patient person. I have no problems with that. So this is the cherry blossom kittens, cats. I don't remember the wording. I think it is kittens. And sometimes I can't open it, so that's why you see me struggle a bit. At least I know it's, ooh, sorry, really secured. And oh my goodness, that is so pretty. It is such a really pastel yellow. As you can see, the gorgeous glitter effect. And you can pick whatever type of hollow effect on it. There's the stars, the glitter, and a lot other options. There's a broken glass one. I've seen it. It looks really cool. I like it. But glitter is the one I always take. Oh, that is so pretty. And again, yep, it's a 12 pack. And the wonderful release paper is really smooth. really sturdy, and as you can see, the other side is blank. It's meant to, you know, just to be removable and reusable. That's I'm a big fan of it. My other older set, no issues at all. Even when I roll up the canvases, it doesn't mess up the paper. I really, really love this company. And oh my goodness, I just love the kitty cats. I already know what painting I'm going to put it on. Same thing for the white cats, because that was the first one I originally wanted to buy after I got my other set of paper. So I kind of already know where I'm going to put it on. But the white cats, it's because I just couldn't say no to the wonderful florals. I'm sorry, the black cats, mostly because, well, I have a black cat, so I couldn't say no to black cats. I do love black cats. So, let me pull this out real quick. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. You can see the black kitties in different forms. And it's a beautiful pastel purple. I just think it's so cute. I love the little eyes on the cats. They just look at you like, please, please don't yell at me. And oh my goodness, this is so, so pretty. Oh, I'm going to have to figure out what painting to put. And I love the stretching cat. I think it's really cute. Ooh, big fan of that. Sorry, I'm going to keep staring at them just because they're so cute. And I love that they're playing with balls of yarn. And I couldn't resist. So, I'm a crocheter. I can't say no to yarn either. I love the little butterflies. Oh, this is so pretty. I really like it. And all of these wonderful images, I'll put them in the description below. If maybe some of these wonderful designs are your cup of tea as well. As y'all can tell, they definitely are mine. Oh my goodness, I'm already thinking of the next set I want to buy, but I first need to use the papers before I buy some more. Because I'm thinking about that moon one I just got as a sample, so I'm going to go look for it. I'm not too sure what it's called, but you can search really quickly on, oh, and apologies, it's an Etsy store. So you can search through there when you're looking for a decal, or if you luckily know the name, you can find them real quickly as well. Oh my goodness, I love it, the big cat. Wonderful, beautiful white cats, and I love the flowers. The flowers in the dark blue super won me over. And the glitter effect is actually on the cats, as you can see when I move it, and not so much the whole paper, but anywhere that pretty much has the decal. As you can see, the flowers, the plants, the cats. But I just love that dark blue. Oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, I really want to use this paper already. And again, it's another set of 12. So, I just really wanted to show, because I actually just got the order, so that's why all of it is pretty much still packed up. But I'm going to make sure to put them on my canvases that I want to put them on. As you all know, I have a lot of them. Apologies, a lot of canvases I'm planning to get up. So all of these are going to go in those canvases. Mostly because I prefer using release paper. So that's why I'm so happy to pick it up. Ooh, it's so, so cute. Just to state it again, because I always have to say it, because I always sound like I'm giving a review. This isn't a product review. I purchased this with my own money. Mostly because I really want paper. I just want to say, because every time I review the videos, I sound like, oh, I'm sounding like I'm giving a review. I'm just a big fan of this company, and I am more than happy to recommend it, because it's really good quality, and a lot of their images are so, so beautiful. So, I need to go start putting these on canvases. And as I stated, all the company itself and the wonderful images, I'll put in the description below. With hopefully some wonderful kitty cats. Make your day. Sorry, I couldn't figure out a way to word it. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Yep, emoji time. Oh, this is just easy. Cats. A kitty cat emoji. I love all the little emojis that they put of different cats, and I've seen a black emoji, orange cat emoji, and all of that. I just think they're cute. You can put them in the comments below. It allows me to know that you all were kind enough to watch the video all the way to the end. Thank you so much for that, and I really do appreciate it. And I really do love emojis. And 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 again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.